Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you different ways to share Google Form responses with others. So first, open up the form you'd like to share, then head over to the responses tab here and select link to sheets. This is the first method. You can select an existing spreadsheet or create a new spreadsheet. I'm just going to do this. Then click create. And it creates a new sheet with all the data from the response. And here you see the time and the answers the participants gave. Now, the only downside to this method is it doesn't show it as a chart like it does here. Now, to share this file, simply click share right here and enter the email address of whoever you'd like to send the file to. Then, under general access, change this option from restricted to anyone with the link. That way, they'll be able to view it. Now, you can change the access from viewer to commenter or to editor, whichever one you like. If you select editor, they'll be able to view it as well as make changes to the response. Once you've set all the permissions like you wish, simply share it. For the second option, click on the three dots on the right corner of the screen here, then select print. And it will open up a new tab. Once the form is loaded, press Ctrl P on your keyboard, then select save as PDF if it isn't already selected. And you can save this file to your PC just like this, and you can send the email to whoever you'd like to share the information with. Another method, the third method you can use is this. Click on the three dots right here and select download responses. It will download this as a CSV document. Now you can simply send this as an email to whoever you'd like to share it with. It will save it as an Excel file on your PC. For the final method, click the three dots here once again and select print all responses. Once again, make sure this destination is set to save as PDF, and here you see the form, exactly how the participants responded. Simply select save like you did before and select save it to your PC. Now you can simply send this as an email to whoever you'd like to share it with. And that's all for today's video. I hope it helped you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, share, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.